Welcome to our coffee machine showcase. Today, we'll explore the top coffee machines available on Amazon. Discover how these machines can transform your morning routine with rich flavors and easy brewing options. Let's dive in. Known for its programmable features and suck-up glass carafe, this coffee maker ensures hotter coffee without sacrificing flavor. It includes a brew strength control, allowing you to choose between regular and bold. A perfect choice for those who want an affordable yet high-quality drip coffee maker. This smart coffee maker uses Brew technology to recognize your cup pod and customize the brew settings. For optimal flavor, it features a multi-stream technology that saturates the coffee grounds more evenly, offering a full-flavored cup every time. Great for convenience lovers who want quick and consistent coffee. This versatile coffee maker can brew everything from classic drip coffee to iced coffee and even specialty brews. Like cappuccinos, it includes a built-in frother, allowing you to enjoy coffeehouse-style drinks at home. Its versatility makes it a great choice for families with varied coffee preferences. Renowned for its precise brewing temperature and consistency, the Mocha Master Brews a full carafe in just 6 minutes. Handcrafted in the Netherlands, this coffee maker is built to last with high-quality parts and a 1-year warranty. Perfect for those who appreciate simplicity and quality. This semi-automatic espresso machine offers built-in conical burr grinding, allowing you to grind the beans right before extraction for a fresh, rich flavor. With its precise temperature control and steam wand, you can easily create café-qualité coffee and latte art at home. Ideal for espresso enthusiasts who want control over their brewing process.